Hello, what's up, guys? Miles here. I want to share with you the only credit card that is great for the people with bad or new credit. In the past, when I was new to credit, I was 19 at that time. I was struggling and sending several credit applications to credit companies. All of them didn't accept or rejected me. The number of my inquiries went up, which looked very bad on my credit report. I yet continued struggling, until later I found a right credit company. I was disgusted. The company did good and perfect to me. It was an instant process, and accepted me in like less than 5 minutes. I hope this video will help the people like you that are struggling. This video is perfect for you with bad or new credit. I guarantee that credit card will accept you instantly in just 5 minutes, or less. That credit card is Discovered Secured Credit Card. Again, that credit card is perfect for bad or new credit. The instant process. It's a secured card as there are two types of credit cards, unsecured and secured. Secured cards are for the people with bad or new credit. Most credit companies will do that to secure themselves from losing money in case their consumers do not pay back to them. Almost all credit companies have credit limit, how much you can use on your credit, like credit usage. In case you want to use $1,000 credit, that means you would need to deposit your actual $1,000 to your credit in order to use your credit card up to $1,000. That's how the secured cards work. To limit by using your actual money. Why would they do that? Because if you used your $1,000 credit and you ended up not paying back to them, then they would use your actual $1,000 to cover the debt or credit. It's like a collateral credit. Now, for unsecured card, it's really up to credit companies to set up credit limit for you. It depends on people's credit history. Really, the unsecured cards are for the people with good credit or already have a credit history ready. For unsecured card, the credit limit can be up to $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, or even $20,000. It's really up to credit company. Now, you can understand the difference between secured and unsecured, as when you are building your credit score, and you notice the increase of your credit score, you can transfer from secured to unsecured credit card afterward. Right now, I want to talk about secured, not unsecured. I want to help people like you with bad or new credit. I found Discovered Secured Credit Card, and it's perfect for you with bad or new credit. It has no annual fee, which most credit companies will do that because they don't trust people with bad or new credit. Again, this Discover credit card doesn't have annual fee. Remember, I explained this Discover credit card is secured. That means you will need to deposit at minimum amount, and the Discover credit card requires you to have $200 ready and deposit it to open a credit account there. You don't just have to deposit $200. You can deposit more like $500 or $1,000, whatever you like to. This Discover credit card also reports to the all three credit bureaus. This part is really important because lenders and other major credit companies will look at the three credit bureaus. Most credit companies, especially for bad or new credit, probably do not report to the three credit bureaus. They would just report to one or two credit bureau. But the Discover credit card reports to the all three. The three credit bureaus are Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. In case you want to look more on your credit report, I suggest you to use Credit Karma. It's free and easy to use. It can be downloaded on your phone. As you open the app, you will see your credit report and everything. For me, I like to use Credit Karma because it's free. It's not the only option you have. You can also use Experian, but understandably, there is a limited free version on Experian. It's more of a paid version monthly membership for full access to your credit report and everything. The Discover credit card offers you to pay in full balance, which I highly recommend you to do it. It's always best to pay in full. You want to avoid carrying your credit balance to next month. If you do that, you will have to pay APR interest, so you don't want to. Me either. After the first 7 months' use of the credit card responsibly, paid in full before due date, and didn't miss any credit payment. After doing these, the credit card will transfer from secured to unsecured after about 7 months. And plus, your secured deposit will be refunded as it's going to become an unsecured card. It's up to the Discover to decide based on how responsible you are with spending on credit. And also, your credit limit may be increasing to $2,000, $5,000, or $10,000. The other biggest reason I use credit cards is because of wonderful rewards. If credit cards don't ever have rewards, I wouldn't use them. But with wonderful rewards, I'm like, why not take advantage of them by getting points, cashback, low APR, and wonderful perks I can use? The Discover Secured Credit Card is really nice because many other secured credit cards do not offer rewards until you get an unsecured card that provides points and other types of rewards. The Discover Secured Credit Card still provides the reward cashback. You can get up to 2% cashback from each purchase at gas stations and restaurants combined. For example, you spend $50 at a restaurant, you would get $1 cash back. For other purchases, you get up to 1%. It's still good, still getting cash back. Better than nothing. Imagine as if you spent, I would say $10,000 in the first year. You got 1% cash back from it. That would be $100. Again, it's still good. Better than nothing. While you get 2% and 1% cash back. And thirdly, you are also getting your cash back matched. At the end of your first year spending, let's say maybe you spent $2,000 during that period. You will get another $2,000 at the end of your first year spending. It will be $4,000 in total. It's really cool that you can go ahead taking the advantage of the Discover's cashback. For some of you with bad or new credit, I highly recommend you to use the Discover It Secured Credit Card. It's perfect because again it has no annual fee. And plus it's easy to use. And it also provides a free credit report from the 3 credit bureaus. You can know that your credit score is growing through their credit report provided. Once your credit history has become good, you can transfer from secured to unsecured. You can do many things on unsecured card. You can increase your credit limit there. Or you can just transfer to another credit company, like American Express or Chase. There are plenty of other credit companies that give you better perks. When I was 19, new to credit and wanted to build credit score, but many credit companies would not accept me. They rejected me all the time even though some credit companies said they accepted new credit. But the Discover credit card was very successful for me. I now have over 750 credit score. It's a really good score. I was grateful to Discover for allowing me to build my credit. For you with bad or new credit history, you go ahead sign up the Discover Secured Credit Card. I guarantee they will accept you instantly, and you want to pay in full credit balance. Don't miss any payment. And at the same time, you can take the advantage of their reward, cashback. After you are accepted, it usually takes 6 to 12 months to fully build your credit score. After the first 3 months, you will begin to recognize your credit score increasing a little bit. Maybe 650 score, later 6 to 12 months. It will increase gradually over 700 score. Importantly, You pay in full on time and avoid carrying credit balance to next month. This video is to help the people like you with bad or new credit. For some of you may want to improve or build your credit score more. Right now, this video is for the people with bad or new credit, but you keep an eye on my channel for a video on how to improve your credit score or build over 750 score. I hope this video helps you finding the right credit card to build your credit score from it. Unlike the other videos on YouTube, most of them might not be for you. The same with me when I was looking for the right credit card until later I found Discover. Discover was perfectly matched for me. If you really find this video very helpful, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. They help the YouTube algorithm to recognize my channel and video content, and knowing it's a great content, so YouTube can recommend and share it to other people. Especially, it will help the other people with bad or new credit. The other people that recognize this video and my channel will be very helpful to them because of you. Much thanks to you. See you all in next video soon.